You see, my sister makes these amazing turkey sandwiches. Her secret is she puts an extra slice of gravy-soaked bread in the middle. I call it the moist maker.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Bridgetta. Today we're making the moist maker. It's from an episode of Friends. It's one of their classics. It's about Thanksgiving leftovers. And we even made Thanksgiving early this year so we can make this sandwich for you. What you're gonna need is mashed potatoes, stuffing or dressing, gravy, turkey, cranberry sauce, and 3 pieces of bread. Why 3? Well, you're going to find out soon. Our first step is going to be the turkey, putting it in our pan to warm it. And we're going to add gravy to that. Our other pan is for our bread. We're only going to toast 2 pieces of bread. The third one will come later. So we're going to butter one side of the bread because we're only going to toast one side of the bread.
Why are we going to only toast one side of the bread?
I think we should toast both sides of the bread. But
there's been much research about this.
There's much research, and Mark only wants one side toasted, so that's okay.
Because one side forms structure inside the sandwich, the toasted side.
Exactly.
While the untoasted side is soft on the roof of your mouth.
Right.
Although the Friends episode didn't explain a lot of the details.
They didn't explain how they did it.
There have been hundreds of videos that have analyzed and dissected this.
Exactly. So we're doing it the way we think. But of course, you can do all kinds of different combinations.
And here in the test kitchens of Better with Bridgetta,
I don't want to over toast them.
Have tried this in several dry runs to get it perfect.
We sacrificed for you guys. All right, so we don't need it hot, but we do need it warmed. It'll be better. You could do a cold sandwich.
Yes, in fact, we've tried this hot and cold, and they're both equally great.
Well, that's looking good. All right, let me check on our bread or our toast. Ooh. Ooh, that's almost ready. Yep, it's looking good. Because we're going to bring it back over to the other counter to assemble. All right, now we're ready for our middle piece of bread. This is the most important part of the whole recipe. We're putting gravy in the pan.
We need more gravy.
More gravy? Okay. Mark thinks we need more gravy, so we're going to add more. This is the secret ingredient to the whole sandwich, is our middle piece of bread, the moist maker. I warmed up the gravy, added our bread, and now we're going to flip it so that both sides get gravy. So it's not toasted, it's just covered in gravy. And bring it over to the counter.
I normally don't join Bridgetta in the preparation phase. However, this requires scientific precision.
So now let's assemble our sandwich. We're going to put our toasted part on the bottom.
Very important. Toast, no toast. Outside for the pleasure of the roof of your mouth. Toast facing in.
So we're going to start with cranberry sauce on the bottom. Spread that.
Bridgetta chopped up some cranberries and boiled them down with some sugar into a beautiful cranberry dressing.
Sauce.
Sauce.
Yeah. I did make the dressing, though, and we are going to link that recipe in this video.
Seabury sauce.
So the quantities are up to you, the order's up to you.
No. It's very precise. Has to be done this way.
We ready for turkey? Okay.
Turkey.
Turkey. Oh, should I put down the wax paper underneath for making?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. We forgot an important step.
Is that good?
Like any good sandwich from your childhood, wax paper. Okay.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Homemade mashed potatoes from our son, who is an aficionado.
We could probably all claim that, right? Eating them, not necessarily making them. Okay, and then dressing.
Brigetta's dressing, which we'll link it either up here or up here from a previous episode. Very good. Sausage and apples and celery and onions and
Yep.
Pepperidge Farm stuffing.
Don't want to lose any. Okay.
That looks pretty darn good. Oh, it smells fantastic. Oh, we need a little piece on the end here.
Okay, now we're ready for
The moist
this
maker. An untoasted piece of bread soaked in gravy.
Oh, that looks mighty fine.
Amazing.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
And that turkey, that'll go on the outside. So we'll do this.
Okay. That's a good idea. Okay, I think that's plenty.
That looks fantastic. Okay, we'll set this here. Then we need, I guess we can do reverse order. We can put stuffing on the top here.
We're definitely going to need napkins for this.
Now you can make this and take it to work cold the next day. Equally fantastic. We've tried that. And then hot like this for your Thanksgiving leftovers.
Be sure to label your name on it. Your sandwich.
So nobody steals it, like in the
Like-
episode of Friends.
Like in the episode of Friends.
Poor Ross Geller. It was the only thing he had going for him that year.
Oh my gosh. And you might be wondering, how are we going to get this in our mouth? We're not quite sure. It's not easy. You hungry?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're starting to lose it. We're starting to lose it.
Don't forget, we still have to get a picture of it.
All right, we're ready for the top, Bridgetta.
Okay. You got it?
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh my God.
I gotta get a picture.
This is just crazy. Hold, please. Want me to move the other stuff out of the way?
No, it's perfect. A little behind the scenes work here.
Oh my gosh,
Ready?
that's beautiful. Okay. Wait. No, okay.
I'll let you do that.
Okay, the folding's not real good. This is only to help us cut it, right, diagonal. Yep,
Like any good sandwich, must be cut diagonal.
exactly. All right, let's reveal. Oh my gosh, it's a thing of beauty.
All right, pull it apart and show me the halves.
Oh no, I'm not gonna be able to pick that.
I'm going in, cover me.
Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh gosh.
Jetta, you didn't cut it.
Mark, you put too much stuff. Oh my gosh.
We'll have to make.
Well, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and come back for more crazy videos. You have cranberry sauce on your face. Mm-hmm.